Hi everyone, it's Daryl Baum on set at the JAFRA Beauty Studio. Today I'm going to talk about applying lip liner and achieving a bulletproof lip look. Lip liner defines your lips and keeps your lipstick in place longer. It also lets you create different shades and customize lipstick colors that you already have. JAFRA offers a water-resistant automatic lip liner and a wood pencil lip liner. JAFRA's twist-up automatic lip liner never needs to be sharpened, while the lip definer wood pencil has to be sharpened. Both are long-lasting, they have high intensity, and they glide on creamy soft. Apply your lip liner using the dot method. Start by lightly dotting the two highest parts of your Cupid's bow and then the two lowest points of your bottom lip. Begin at the corner of your mouth, applying short, feathered strokes to the bottom dot. Next, do the same on the other side of your mouth, on the bottom lip. Now connect the two dots along the middle of your lower lip. Next, working from the corner of your mouth, line up to the dot at the Cupid's bow. Do the same on the other side. Then from the top dot, connect the dots along your upper lip. Now you're ready to add lipstick or lip gloss. For totally bulletproof lips, you can dust on powder and apply a thin coat of lipstick over. Add another dusting of powder and another layer of lipstick. Applying thin coats helps your color stay put. And lining your lips gives you color that lasts and lasts.